Hi everyone! Welcome to another Quickie yoga workout. And today we're going to focus on our necks. If you are working a lot on your computer, tendencies to look down. So today we are going to nourish our necks. Enjoy! So we'll start off in a seated position. So go ahead, sit on your mat on the floor, or if you need padding, you can even sit on pillows. Then just let your hands be soft on your knees. And then as you inhale, you're just going to tuck the chin in towards the chest. And then you'll go ahead and then just slowly roll the head off to one side. So I'm starting towards my right, slowly tilting the head back, leaning back, taking my time as I bring the chin back to center. And then still folding the head forward. We'll go the opposite direction, just slowly going around. See how that feels for your neck. And then we'll slowly come back to center, tucking the chin, and then we'll slowly lift the head up. And then see how the neck feels. Maybe just look from side to side. And then always coming back to the breath. Okay, from here, we'll do a pin and a pull. So you'll use your left hand to pin the top of the right breast. Okay, pin it down. And then use the right hand to pull that muscle down. And then from here, you'll bring your left ear towards the left shoulder. Okay, hold here. See how that feels for the right side of your neck. And then you'll start to bring your gaze down towards the left armpit. Okay. So I personally enjoy this release for the neck because it also gets to the muscles at the back. And then you can do slow bobbing motions, just nodding the head yes and no, or maybe even doing small tilts at the head side to side. One more breath. And then slowly we'll release. And we'll take that on the other side. You'll pin the top of the left breast, pull that down. Okay. And then from here, you'll bring the right ear towards the right shoulder. You can stay here if that feels good for you or if that's what you need. Or start to look down towards the right armpit. Hold here again. Or maybe add small movements. Just nodding the head yes and no. Or moving it side to side. Okay, one more breath here. And then from here, you'll slowly release. And then notice how that feels for the sides of your neck. Okay, from here, you will bring the legs in front. Okay, we'll add a little bit more. Okay, we'll start to bend the left knee and then bring it over the right leg. Remember, keep the right leg active, flex the foot. Inhale, hugging the knee in with the right arm. Exhale, you'll twist towards the left side. Okay, so let's add a twist here, even though we're focusing on the neck. And then what you'll do, you'll look over the left shoulder, and then maybe look down towards the left armpit. And then see how that feels for your neck. You can choose to hold, or maybe add small movements. Okay. Either that yes and no, or nodding from side to side. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll slowly release. We'll take that on the other side as you straighten the left leg, bending at that right knee, bringing the leg over the left leg. Hugging the knee and using the left arm. Exhale, you'll turn towards the right side. So remember, your back hand is there as an anchor to lengthen the spine up. And then focusing on the neck, you look over the right shoulder any amount. You can stay here if that's what you need. Or if you want a little bit more, maybe start to look down towards the right armpit. Maybe add small movements if you like. Nodding the head yes and no. Or moving it side to side. One more breath here. And then exhale, we'll slowly release. So release the twist. From here, we'll cross at the shins and then come up to a tabletop position. Okay, in your tabletop position, we'll do a few rounds of cat and cow, adding movements at the head. As you inhale, let your butt stick up. As your chest reaches forward, let your right ear move towards the right shoulder. Okay, Okay, so you'll find this length or stretch at the left side of the neck. As you exhale, you'll round through the back, tuck the chin in any amount. Inhale, let the chest press forward again. This time, left ear towards the left shoulder. Maybe hold here, add small movements if you like, small movements at the head. Exhale, round through the back. Okay. And then you can add as many as you need or as many as you like. Exhale, push and round. Make sure you alternate it. Okay, balance out each side, left ear towards the left shoulder. Maybe another pair. Inhale, reaching forward, right ear towards the right shoulder. Maybe slightly looking down towards the right hand. Exhale, release. One more side. Inhale, chest reaches forward, left ear towards the left shoulder, or look slightly down towards the left hand. And then exhale, we'll release. Okay, from here, reset in tabletop. We'll tuck the toes and then push back, downward facing dog. Okay, you can stay in down dog, maybe add small movements, wiggle the hips from side to side. Come to stillness, okay, and then notice how the neck feels here at this point. Okay, one more breath in. From here, you'll start to walk your hands back towards the feet. Okay, so stay in your forward fold, relax the head completely. Okay, just let the head droop down towards the floor. You can even grab for opposite elbows. Release the neck, nod the head yes and no. Move it side to side. Maybe do a few circles if that feels good. One more cycle here. And then from here, bend your knees about 10%. Release the elbows, and then you'll just slowly making your way, coming up, and then make sure you let your head come up last. Bringing the hands together. Namaste. So I hope your necks feel a little bit longer, and maybe that can also help with the breathing and then just feeling or getting that sense of uprightness in the posture. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.